If you're new to making skincare and you're not exactly sure what products to start with or what to do, well then you've made it to the right video, because today we're going to start with body oils. So we're starting with body oils because they are one of the easier oils to make. They don't require any emulsions or anything like that. They're just really good for getting the moisture into the skin and like locking it in. It's great hydration and nourishing the skin with all of its essential nutrients. So that's why we can start with body oils. It's just it's just one of the easier things. And when creating body oils, you really only need two types of oils, just carrier oils and essential oils. And so when I say carrier oils, I'm talking about oils like almond, jojoba, coconut, rosehip, avocado, pomegranate, hemp, things like that. And those are the actual base of your formulation. They are hydrating and mostly suitable for all skin types. And then another part of your formulation for your body oils are essential oils. So body oils have carrier oils as the base of the formulation, and then essential oils like lavender, peppermint, tea tree, things like that are just added in smaller amounts to provide specific benefits like antimicrobial, things that are invigorating, calming, soothing, things like that, okay? So you may say, hey, why can't I use my body oil as a facial oil? Well, we don't use our body oils as a facial oil because the skin on our face is known to just be a little bit more sensitive. The skin is thinner on our face, whereas the skin on our bodies is thicker, so you can add heavier oils and your body is able to absorb them better than you would do on your face. So I would not use the body oil that for my body also on my face. There are specific facial oils we can do, and I will do a whole nother video for facial oils. Formulating your own body oil is all about choosing the right ingredients. So jojoba oil, for example, is great for all skin types, or you can use a coconut oil, shea butter oil, hemp seed oil that is just great for dry skin, and then of course just adding in the essential oils on top just for the added therapeutic benefits, like you want it to be calming, refreshing, soothing, things like that. So let's make a simple one. Today I want to make one for dry skin. A lot of the people in my family, including myself, have really dry skin even in the summer, so I'm going to make a oil for dry skin. I'm going to use grapeseed oil, hemp seed oil, sweet almond oil, olive oil, vitamin E, and then I'm going to use, for my essential oils, we're going to use some geranium, frankincense, and then lavender oil. Okay, first we're going to do our grapeseed oil. Now our hemp seed, almond oil, I'm gonna add a little bit of vitamin E for some antioxidants. And our essential oils. Okay, mix it up. Okay, now you're gonna pour it into your container. You can either use, like this one I have is a dropper, but you can also use other type of bottles. Hopefully I don't spill this. There it goes. That was how to make a really quick dry skin body oil. One of the common questions is if you need a preservative or not, but because this is oil based, you don't need a preservative. I, however, like to add vitamin E oil to my products because vitamin E is a great source of antioxidants and then also helps to elongate the shelf life of your products and keeping it from going rancid. But you don't have to add a preservative in oil-based products. Also, you don't have to have essential oils. I like using essential oils, but if you are looking for other type of fragrances, like you want to smell like cake or something like that, you can add a fragrance oil. Just make sure your formula is equaling to 100%, okay? Well, that's it for today. I really hope that you have found this video useful and helpful. I would absolutely love to hear from you. So put your comments and your questions or anything in the comments below. I would love to hear them. I read them all. And then of course, like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips and tricks. And then continue living in your purpose and creating beauty. Until next time.